We see the technology landscape has improved greatly over the course of 10 years, with further improving penetration rate of smart devices, both in terms of software and hardware. And as we can realize that people are getting to process their payment, payroll, and investment more and more in an online manner. And it is the same with the financial institutions, right? And all of these are due to the massive adoption of NVIDIA's GPUs, Alibaba's Ocean Base, etc., etc. So I would say that finance is one of the first and foremost industries that get impacted by data science and artificial intelligence. Take our investment portfolio, Kafang Tech, as an example. Kafang provides an AI solution which enables to lower the transaction cost and the friction in stocks high frequency daily trading, right? So I would say that the technology embedded in Kafang is revolutionary in the sense that it is able to replace the jobs of most of the traders on the floor. In a nutshell, I think at A-Roads we only invest technologies that has the potential of turning the technology from the lab into the real industry. And this is why we have been investing with our patient capital over the past 25 years. I would say that regulation is absolutely the key word, because as opposed to what's going on in US and Europe, startups usually go far before the regulators get involved. In China, I would say if you are trying to do something in the asset management tech arena, the first thing is to knock on the door of the regulators and solicit their approval, right? So my personal feeling is that the real sweet spot in China's market is trying to strike a balancing point, right, where the needs of different stakeholders could be met simultaneously, be it asset managers, channel makers, and end customers, and of course, most importantly, the regulators. IMI is one of our investments in the asset management tech area. It provides one-stop mutual fund investment advisory services to different stakeholders, individuals and institutions. And it is also one of the first batch of organizations that received the mutual fund investment advisory license. It charges a recurring fee out of the total AUM that it is helping to manage for those mutual fund houses in China, right? So I would say that the license and together with the scale of the AUM directly lead to the business model of IMI. Since our investment in 2021, IMI has experienced a very strong and bright growth over the past 2 to 3 years. Yeah, looking forward, I think one of the very interesting and promising direction is something called RMB's internationalization, right? First of all, a great market potential. Second of all, it's genetically going to be done in a cross-border manner. And thirdly, the existing transaction or the existing working mechanism is largely very out of date. So we see great opportunities in digitalization and electrolization. We are actively seeking opportunities that could largely escalate the efficiency of enabling offshore investors buy the whole RMB denominated assets.